If I would know how buggy this game will be, then I might make some changes. More accurate now, isn't it? Hello there. So, premiere of Cyberpunk 2077 is behind us, and a lot of controversy happened lately because of quality of a final product, especially on consoles. And what the hell is that? Because I play on Xbox One, I decided to hold on with a purchase. Hopefully CD Projekt Red will fix all those glitches and bugs ASAP and we can all get to this title without any doubts. But yeah, enough of talking about drama, let's get to today's art. So a week ago I published a video where I created poster for a movie Blade Runner 2049 in style of Edge magazine's cover for Cyberpunk 2077. And now I decided to switch things and make my take on a poster for Cyberpunk in an aesthetic from Blade Runner. So I took this poster as a reference image. Here you go. And I've collected all pictures that I needed for the creation. Photo manipulation in that case was necessary. Official renders from game were not enough for me and I had to find some more content for this piece of art. Internet, thank you for a cosplay. As you can see, I needed an accurate body for our main characters, Samurai and John Silverhand, but I wanted to keep faces of our heroes from the game. With these two was easier. For now, I leave you here. Enjoy watching the whole process of assembling these puzzles into something more like professional poster, and no worries, I care about your time, so everything is in a fast pace. And so this is it. Main chunk of this whole piece is ready for adding some colors, highlights and textures. In compare with reference image, I decided to use different colors, more accurate for synthwave and that retro 80s vibes. Also, I've put some elements very characteristic for my style, so here it is, a final piece. Honestly, this was first time for me making more complex artwork. It was a very complicated process, but I truly had a blast making this design, and at this point I'm pretty satisfied with a final result, but I'm interested about your opinion. Should I make more posters like this? So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe, leave a like and drop me a comment down below with your opinion or any suggestion. It will be much appreciated. See you in the next one. Good night.